Are you looking for a way to reach new customers for your business? Digital marketing can help you find these new customers, deliver a targeted message, and bring in new leads to grow your business. While digital marketing is often seen as a complex process, it can usually be broken down into 4 categories: search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, SMM, websites conversion improvements. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps you rank organically. This means people researching the products and services you offer can find you in the natural search results in Google or Bing. It takes time, but makes your website into an ongoing asset for your business. Pay-per-click, also called PPC advertising, lets you purchase ads that will appear in front of users who are searching online for specific keywords. Finding the right keywords and crafting the right ads can lead to a highly successful advertising campaign. Social media marketing allows you to build a community around your business and to advertise on popular social websites. Creating an online community can not only help you increase brand awareness, but can also help potential customers see the loyalty you create with your quality products. Lastly, conversion improvements to your websites are a key component. Bringing more traffic to your online business is key to success, but modifying your website to help make sure more of these visitors become customers is equally important on your path to success.